In this series of short videos, I'm going to provide a brief introduction to the complex subject of molt in birds. I'll mainly be focusing on shorebirds, but I will sometimes mention other water birds too. In part 1, we will be defining what we mean by plumage and molt, and then we'll introduce basic plumage. All birds have feathers. A set of feathers is known as a plumage. Feathers need to be replaced as they wear out over time. The process of growing a new set of feathers is known as a molt. A molt always produces a plumage. All birds have at least one complete molt per year. The new set of feathers after this molt is called basic plumage because it is basic to all birds. The molt which produces basic plumage is called pre-basic molt. Pre-basic molt marks the beginning of a molt cycle. One molt cycle is the time between when one pre-basic molt begins and when the next one begins. It is usually approximately a year. So, in part 1, we have defined what a plumage and a molt are. We have said that all birds undergo at least one complete molt in a year, known as pre-basic molt, which produces basic plumage. The time between the beginning of one pre-basic molt and the next is called a molt cycle, which is about a year. But very few birds can survive for a whole year with just one set of feathers. Most birds have other molts in addition to pre-basic molt, and we will look at one of these in part 2. Thanks for watching. See you next time.